Hey there, Appsec engineers. Today we are tackling a challenge that CISOs face when assembling a security dream team. I'm sure you know there's an Appsec skills gap out there. But did you know that according to the ISC² Cybersecurity Workforce Study, there is a shortage of 3.12 million skilled cybersecurity professionals worldwide? That's a staggering number. One of the major hurdles that CISOs encounter is the scarcity of skilled cybersecurity professionals. The demand for expertise in this field is rapidly growing, but the supply of qualified professionals is struggling to keep up. This shortage creates a fierce competition for talent, making it challenging for CISOs to find and recruit the right individuals for their dream team. Another significant issue is employee retention. The same study reveals that 41% of cybersecurity professionals are actively seeking new job opportunities. This turnover can disrupt the stability and effectiveness of a security team, requiring constant efforts to attract and retain top talent. CISOs must find innovative ways to engage and motivate their team members to stay on board. But here's the good news. The real dream team could be in-house if CISOs and CTOs choose to invest in skill development. By nurturing and upskilling their existing workforce, CISOs can build a strong and loyal team that is tailored to their organization's needs. Investing in training and certifications not only enhances the skills and knowledge of existing team members, but has also been proven to increase their job satisfaction and loyalty. It empowers them to take on new responsibilities, tackle emerging challenges, and stay motivated. Furthermore, an in-house dream team brings valuable institutional knowledge and a deep understanding of your organization's unique security requirements. In short, they can make you, the security leader, the CISO, CTO, what have you, look damn good. It's time to ask yourself a few questions, my dear CISO. What is that once a year on-premise training program really bringing you? What's the ROI really? Comment below and let me know. Are you able to measure the effects of the training in any tangible way? Is there real knowledge transfer? Has your security posture improved? Where are you on your champion training program? Are they knowledgeable of the business goals and the development goals? How well versed and cutting edge is their DevSecOps skill? The training of your dreams is out there. That is truly full stack for everyone on your team, offensive and defensive, relevant and proven to improve security posture. Plus, you can actually measure it in real time. I'll link that in the description for you. Remember, the real dream team might already be within your organization. By skilling them correctly, you can unleash their full potential and establish a resilient and effective security function. So, invest in your people, nurture their talents, and build the dream team you've always envisioned. Bye.